Alright, what's up YouTube? Electric Kicks here with another video, and today we're going to be talking about um, just a couple of the sneaker releases that have been delayed. So in the past week there's been a lot of delays, especially a lot of the dunks, and we're just going to go over it real quick and get you guys the most updated information. So the black and white dunk lows, also nicknamed the pandas, those are going to be delayed, along with the coast lows, and then the red and gray lows. Those are all delayed. Two dunk highs that are delayed, the football grays, and then the vast grays. These are delayed. So these are delayed for the North American launch. They're going to be releasing January 21st, and for else, it's staying consistent. It's going to remain the same as it's going to be January 14th. So you don't got nothing to worry about unless you're in the North America. So just a slight delay, just about a week. So this is good because it allows us to see the resale market once they actually release, and allows us to see what we want to prioritize for our investment. So, delays aren't always bad. This one I think is a pretty good delay for us investors. And so the Nike Dunk Low, this SB, the Street Hawker, this also got delayed till January 22nd, as opposed, I think this was supposed to release today, the 13th, but it got delayed about a week. And then the Nike Dunk High Ambush collaboration, this also got delayed until February 4th. So I did make an in-depth video on these sneakers, my resale predictions, where you can get them. So definitely go check those out. And I will be making a video soon regarding the, I think it's the Cobalt Dunk Lows. I think that's what they're calling them. And then we also got some Syracuse High Dunks that are coming out, along with a couple other shoes. So we got some Jordan 4s coming out, and then some Jordan 5s lows that are coming out. So I'll be making a video soon talking about those and go more in depth and resale predictions and all that stuff. So just stay tuned. Make sure to leave a like if you guys enjoyed. And yeah, have a good one.